What's up, YouTubers? This is Walkie 2000, and it is finally here, the PlayStation Vita First Edition bundle. I am so excited. It comes with Lil Deviant. It comes with a PlayStation Vita case. It comes with a 4 gig memory card, and it comes with the PlayStation Vita. As you can see, there's Wi-Fi only because I live here in Canada and we don't get the 3G Vita. At least not yet. So, whatever. I don't like 3G anyways. On the side of the box, it has a list of what the bundle includes. I just said it, so I'm not going to read it. On the back has all your legal stuff and has a long live play as well as the PlayStation Vita picture. So we open this bad boy up, my trusty box cutter. We open it up and there's another box. Probably the Vita is inside there. But first, underneath is the first edition bundle. And the first up is the AR cards. I wonder where they got that from. The Nintendo 3DS. So, we open up. There's number 6. Weird. Number 1. Number 2 kind of looks like a Tetris block. Number 3 got number 4. Number 5 is upside down. And number 6. Here's a closer look at all 6 AR cards. Next up, we got some paperwork. It is PlayStation Vita accessories and a PlayStation protection plan. I'm probably not going to read that stuff, so who does? Anyways, so let's throw that to the side. Next up, we got the PlayStation. We got the 4 gig memory card PlayStation Vita. Those things are tiny. I'm probably going to lose one. Here's a closer look. So, I'm probably going to lose one of those. So, I better keep them in the case. And luckily, this bundle comes with the case. You got the PlayStation Vita case. It's pretty hard. Solid case. It's going to protect your PlayStation Vita if you drop it or something. As you can see there, you got top pouches for whatever you want to put in there. The charger maybe, if it could fit. And on the other side, that is where your PlayStation Vita goes. Here's a closer look at the PlayStation Vita case. Inside, that's where you put the game slots. Next up, we got Lil Deviants. Let's go ahead and open that. But first up, has 1 megabyte of memory required. So if you don't have 1 megabyte, you can't play Lil Deviants. I don't know how much I'm gonna play this game anyways. I also bought Uncharted Golden Abyss, so I'm gonna probably play that more. As on the back, it says touch, tap, tilt, and a bunch of legal stuff. You open it, there's no book, and all there is just a tiny cartridge. Here's a closer look at the first half of the back of the Lil Deviants, and here's the bottom half of the back of Lil Deviants. Here I measured it up to a SD card. It's almost just as big as a SD card. It's little things. And now it's off to the PlayStation Vita box itself. This is where you find the PlayStation Vita itself, the PlayStation box. If you get it next week, then this is what you'll get it in the box. I had trouble opening it. There's a lot of tape on the little slit there, so there you go. We finally got it open. Okay, first off, we got some paperwork. I'm probably not gonna read it. You got some bedtime reading for you guys, or if you're taking a dump on the toilet, you could probably read it then. But we got the French guide. I live here in Canada, so everything we get is probably in French, even though I don't speak French. We got the battery pack. We not the battery pack. Not we got the AC adapter. Sorry about that. No, we don't get the battery pack. We got the power cable, and we got the USB cord. Here's a closer look at all three of those things. Next up, we got some more paperwork. PlayStation Vita. And next is the main event, what everyone's waiting to see. It is the PlayStation Vita. I like the feel to it. It's very nice. It's bigger than I thought, but whatever. It feels good in my hands. I like it. Great design. Here's a closer look at the power button as well as the game slot. And here's the volumes. Closer look. Alright, so you got the PlayStation Vita. You got the AR cards, all 6 of them. You got the you got the charger. You got the 4 gig memory card. You got little deviants. You got the PlayStation Vita case, hard case. You got a ton of paperwork. One more thing, guys. My next unboxing is Mass Effect 3 Collector's Edition. So if you guys like Mass Effect 3, if you're a Mass Effect 3 fan, make sure to watch that. It's a wonderful collector's edition. I think I'm gonna buy it. And that is on. And Mass Effect 3 comes out on March 6th. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask me on Twitter. My Twitter is Walkie3000. And if you like this video, please rate, like, and subscribe to my channel. It will help me a bunch. And anyways, that's pretty much all. Have a good day. Enjoy your PlayStation Vita if you get one. I know I will be. So have a great day. Walkie3000 out.